gusto ko makita dito, mapalaban siya against any world-rated fighter. Actually, what I'm seeing right now, the best interesting fight is the unfinished business with him since sabi ni
Who?
Jonas Sultan sa interview ko, dati kung ano man ang mabigay sa kanyang chance sa 122 man to 118, he is willing to fight in any of the two division. So I think magandang laban to. 'Di ba nagkakaasara na rin naman sa Twitter no mga nakaraang buwan na Casimero versus Sultan 2. And how about this? Casimero versus Sultan 2. Rematch, I think it will be a good fight pa rin naman. Kahit pa paano, it will still be an interesting fight. May unfinished business ng dalawa. Dahil sabi ni Casimero, it is literally 100% quadro olas na nakita natin doon sa laban kay Jonas Sultan. I think magandang laban pa rin to. Casimero versus Jonas Sultan since Jonas Sultan is world rated number 12 by the WBO at 122.
Interesting. Pero pag nangyari ng laban na yan, medyo siguradong tayo dito. Kagulo tayo dito, sigurado. Kailangan handa rin si Jonas Sultan sa mga emotional issues na mangyayari lalo na sa mga fans dito sa Pilipinas. Which unfortunately, I would say, medyo toxic na talaga yung mga fans. Sobrang toxic that ang hirap mangyari ng laban na yan. But kung ang alam mo sa akin okay lang sa akin yung laban na yan, but I don't prefer it because okay yung storya, Winter, pero sa akin kahit na may unfinished business sila, I don't want Casimero's team to go on the personal route, na personal issue to They need to be more objective sa pagpili ng kalaban. A fighter, it doesn't matter kung merong issue or wala, but a fighter that will give Casimero a chance again to step up para doon mas mataas. So kaya mas gusto ko yung mas mataas sa kanya o yung mataas din yung rating. Para sa akin
Yes, pero para naman sa akin, let's step out of this personal issue between these handlers, di ba? Let's stop it out. Pero nung tinanong ko si Jonas, wala naman daw siyang masamang kay Casimero, wala naman daw siyang bad blood kay Casimero, but for him it is just a business and it is just a job for him.
Correct. I understand. Lalo na kay Jonas Sultan is very professional. Actually, one of the professional. At saka yung team niya, si RNJ, sina Sir Juni. It's okay for me to see this fight. It's just that I don't think parang malabo mangyari with the situation with the wait, sabi mo kasing ganito pero I have a feeling na it will take some will para mangyari yung laban na yan. Kung siguro si Jonas Sultan ay mas mataas ang rating, maghahamon siguro yung Treasure Boxing. Pero ang malamang magpo-promote dito yung Treasure Boxing So, if it's Treasure Boxing, why would I wanna fight, diba, Jonas Sultan?
But ito, Sir Pao, di ko alam kung nakita mo yung naging reaction ni Sean Gibbons doon sa tweet na yun. Kasi sa Twitter talaga nagsimula yung asaran na yun No, I'm mistaken, it was way back August or July yung nangyari. After the comeback fight of Jonas Sultan. September. So, anong nangyari nun? Nag-retweet si Sean Gibbons. Tapos, nilagay niya doon sa comment yung picture ni Jonas Sultan. So, I think it's still possible pa rin naman. Yun lang yung sa opinion ko. Kung mag-comment ng ganun si Sean, puro picture ni Jonas Sultan, I think it is still possible na mangyari. I think Nakaled Sean is willing na makita pa rin yung laban na yan.
Nothing is impossible with the right money. Nothing is impossible with the right money. I agree with you and I understand where that is coming from. Pero parang lang, syempre sa akin parang yun lang yung opinion ko. But if it happens, it happens. But I don't prefer it.
Yes, para sa you don't prefer it. But actually, gusto ko rin talaga makita pa na kahit hindi na sa Pinoy makalaban man lang siya ng world rated. Kahit nga yung, tama kanina, maraming pa namang world rated na mga hindi hawak si Sean Gibbons dito. Can they offer it right money, di ba? So, para sa akin, maganda pa rin. Mas mataas ang world rating. Pero for now, kung wala pa rin talaga makalaban na world rated, I think Jonas Sultan will be a best option for the team A-Sign Boxing and pangalan to? Treasure Boxing
Treasure
promotion.
Boxing.